Hi everyone, here's step-by-step guide how to create BlueWallet account. So first of all, let me scroll down and find BlueWallet application on my phone. If you don't have that, you can download it in Google Play or App Store Market. So now you can add a wallet and now you can tap on name of your wallet. For example, my first wallet, and after that you can choose type of your wallet, Bitcoin, Lightning, Wild. For example, Bitcoin. Tap on create, wait a couple of seconds, and as you can see, here's my mnemonic phrase, and you can just save it for example, screenshot or type it on your paper. Okay, I wrote it down, and now you can see my first wallet, and I can just tap on it, and as you can see, here's your transactions. For example, so as you can see, my first wallet is appear right here, and right now you can see that your transactions will appear here. For example, you can tap on receive. Yes, I have. Okay. Allow notification, and now you can copy this address or just tap on share button and share with your friend. And also you can tap on send button. Now you can type in here address and just tap on next button. That's it. Please consider subscribe to our channel and give it a thumbs up. And also you can watch this new video or this playlist about BlueWallet.